Got this off. Thanks to my dad. See, I don't know. I'm trying to find the bee's nest too.
It was in here and then I saw it.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Yeah, they all have to be dead for sure.
Oh no, they are. It's just a butterfly. It was a butterfly.
Wow. There it is right there. This bumper. All the other parts are in the trunk labeled and sectioned off. Pretty easy once you know what you're doing. You definitely need help. That's so cool. To the metal, so all these chips in here. I'm gonna have to pry this out. Fix that too. I gotta remove the plastic dip on there first. Then start sanding. It's pretty hot today, but it's not that bad. Alright. Sander was taking too long, so it's a shortcut. Picked up today, got this knee covers that goes together. I got a fog light for the driver's side, some timing belts, clock, 13 button, strut cap, the driver's side tail light, and then the front lip. So can't wait to put those in. It's a nice little find today. Shout out to Oscar for giving me all these parts today. He threw this in for free as well with the manual for all the e30s. So I'm super juiced. I just sanded this down. Wiped it with alcohol. Top cloth it. I'm about to spray the first coat. I'm gonna go over it with a tack cloth one more time to see a little dust on there. Right now I'm putting on a fresh coat of black trim paint. I already cleaned it and prepped it. It has like a weird gray like tint to it. So painting it black or satin black. Light coat first, let that dry. Not gonna put it on today because I don't have the right screws. Plus I need to get some adhesive glue for behind this piece. So I think the next thing I'm gonna do is clean up both the fog lights. So I'm gonna try to do a panel now. I'm gonna wash it down first. It's really dirty. I'm gonna cover this part up with a bag. There's that right here. Oh, also I'm going to sand this down and respray it. It goes on the bottom of the Valance piece, which is getting sandblasted tomorrow. Yeah, let's get started. back. Alright, so I'll let you see the before. You can see all those little tiny specks on there. Now we're gonna do it after. Just fitted this lip on there, it looks really good. There's still a gap. I'm pretty sure it's because of this metal piece right there that's bent upwards, so I have to fix that. And I do want to paint these clips black just so they're kind of more seamless. I don't like that white clear. So it looks pretty good. To get this fixed to another spot somewhere. Oh, right there. If I take this off, you can see it, the bends right there. So overall, it's not bad. I'll have to sand that. Can spray the bumper. I need to get a new one or fix this, but it's a lot better. Okay, I'm gonna probably install everything back soon. I have to get these grommets pieces from the BMW dealership. I gotta get that frame fixed, but I'm not doing that right now. So these. It's the last thing that needs to be done. I'm gonna pop these back into our holes. There's one that goes behind here as well. Everything should be ready to put back on. This is all done. Alright, I popped it in. This one right there. I gotta get this side, one more. Pretty simple. Take it and and then these clips behind here go inside, so you pop them in. Put it back together. Just put everything back on. I haven't washed it yet, so it's dirty. It looks so much better. Oh my gosh. So excited. Also changed out those to silver instead of that ugly pink. That looks so good.
Yeah, we're